channel, and today we have a spare ribs, fresh spare ribs. So I have maybe 5 spare ribs, big. So what I'm gonna do, it's all clean, so what I'm gonna do is to have a spare ribs. I'm going to put it on the side. So I have this one here. So what I'm gonna do is to have a toyo, yes, more toyo, suka, vinegar. Toyo means soy sauce, suka means vinegar. Yeah, that's right. And then I have sugar, asukal, on there, a little bit. Yep. And I have that's a tea, so I don't want it. I have a garlic, powder. I have onion powder. Saan ba yung onion? Nigahi naman ni oy. Wala akong gamita. Okay, onion powder, just put it in here. Yep. And then I have a tahong laurel, bay leaves, put it in there. And I have not turmeric, paprika. I'm going to put paprika on. Yeah. And I will have a little bit of salt. Yeah. Okay. Now. Here we go. And mix it. Ketchup, pepper. Yeah. In there. And then what we're gonna do is to marinate it there here. So I'm going to use my hand again. Just pour it there. There we go. I'm going to marinate it for one night. So that it's a good result. And then we will put it into the bag. Put it in the bag. There, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then put it in here. There you go. Sit and marinate it for overnight. After the a night of marination, so what I did is I boiled it with this sauce, with this together sauce, and I put it out now, and then I will put it into the oven for 45 minutes to be roasted. Okay, so I'll put it to the oven now, and must be cool. There we go. See you around.